Hello, Tim Cooper here. And the question today is, what is the most dangerous number in business? Got any idea? While you have to think about that, once again, if you're watching live, please put in hashtag live. Watching on the replay, please put in hashtag replay. And any questions, you know where to put them. Also, if you would like to spread the love around, please be my guest. And oh, look at that. There's something from YouTube playing there as well. That's always very interesting. Not quite sure how that one happened. Okay, cool. I might just hide that. Okay, so the most dangerous number in business. What do you reckon it is? Okay, I'll give you a hint. It starts with 1. Not only is 1 the loneliest number, poor little thing, it's also the most dangerous number when it comes to anything in business. So 1 of anything in your business can be potentially problematic. Okay, so let's take a look at this. 1 source of customer or clients. Once again, I'm always going to use clients, so forgive me, folks. Now, you might call the people who pay you money, you might call them customers, buyers, patients, whatever, but I call them clients. And another reason why I really like to call the people who take the time to use my products and pay me money, I like to call them clients, is because clients describes a higher level of care. Like a customer is like when I go to the shop and I buy a bottle of milk, not that I drink milk, but when I go to the shop and say buy a loaf of bread, I'm a customer. I'm purely customer. It's purely an exchange of product for money. Outside of that, the cashier might smile and say have a nice day, but there is no real level of care. When you have a client, you are exchanging that value, but you're also invested in their well-being, and that's what I like about the term client. And I believe that everybody who deals with me are my clients because I do have a genuine concern for their well-being, and they are under my care. I take that very seriously. So after that rant, let's move on. So 1 of anything. So 1 source of clients. Now, that could be, you might have a referral source. You might have somebody who sends you a heap of business. And this happened to me when I was in private practice too. And sometimes I got sent so many clients from one particular source, I was almost tempted to shut down my other channels of lead generation because this one person was just basically filling my books. But, that person also was a very successful pain specialist, and he went on long holidays. And of course, when he went on long holidays, he wasn't sending anybody to me. So it's good that I didn't have just that 1 source of referral, because then during those times when he was on holidays, I would have been sort of scratching around. Mind you, I had those repeat clients, so I wouldn't have been totally in trouble. But you understand, like, if something happens, if you're depending on 1 source of clients, of one source of leads, and something happens to that source, then your business can take a hit. Okay. What about 1 supplier? So what about those things that are critical to your business, those consumables, those supplies, those products that are critical to the running of your business? Like, say if you're a massage therapist, like you need your oil, like you need clean towels, you need your face covers, you need all these things. What happens if your main supplier runs out, has a shortage, closes down? So you can't sort of put all your faith in 1 supplier. What about 1 key employee, right? What happens if you've got an employee who just knows everything about the business? Those they are absolute gems, aren't they? Like they're sent from the heavens. These people who come in and they invest their time. They take your business, they run it as their own. They know every single thing about your business, the ins, the outs, which is absolutely wonderful. But what happens if they leave? What happens if they get sick? What happens if they get a better offer to go somewhere else? All of a sudden, once again, your business is in a position where it could take quite a hit, because all of a sudden you had this one person who was doing all this amazing stuff, who probably knew your business maybe better than you did because they were sort of on the ground, face to face, on the coal face there. Now, once again, your business can take a hit. Very, very dangerous. The same thing like one key executive, or like it's always dangerous to have one of anything. So one person who has all the answers, the insights, the strategies. One person who knows how to implement it. Very dangerous. You've got to spread all that around. And once again, if you're watching this live, please put in hashtag live. If you're watching on replay, hashtag replay. You know where to put the questions. And if you want to share the love around, you can do this. And also, this will go on YouTube eventually, so why don't we just back that one in there for YouTube as well. Okay, so what else have we got? One marketing channel, right? It's very, very dangerous to put all your eggs in one basket. And this is the same. So if you just depend solely on Facebook or solely on Instagram or just you just depend solely on that one source of marketing, and then they change their rules. And I can guarantee you, Google, Facebook, Instagram, they all change their rules, and it's always in their favor. It's never in your favor. I can guarantee you, right? Whenever they change their rules, you've got to sort of dance to a different tune, and it's usually not a very nice tune. Okay, so it's dangerous to rely solely on one marketing source. You should have offline sources, online sources. Now, what happens if the internet goes down for a long period of time? This is also very dangerous about what you're booking. Like if you rely on a cloud-based, internet-based booking system, that's also very dangerous if the internet goes down. It's very dangerous if the person who is trying to book with you has trouble accessing the internet, right? So you need other contingencies. You need other options for them. Okay, they can't get onto an online booking system. What else can they do, right? You just can't have one thing. What else we got to do? One product or service, right? What happens? We've seen lately in these troubled times that a number of businesses were forced by government directive to actually close their doors to stop the spread of this horrible pandemic. So with that one product or one service, without anything else coming in, without any other options, revenue stopped overnight, employees gone overnight. Okay, so once again, very dangerous to have one product or service, and of course, it's also very dangerous just to have one stream of income, which ties into that one product and service. Okay, so as you can see, you've got to prepare for the future. And while things might be I can't talk about now because things aren't running along very smoothly at the moment, are they? But if you look back into at your business before all this blew up, and you could have thought, yeah, things are running along smoothly, and my clients are coming in, my staff's looking after them, my suppliers are providing everything for me, there's money in the bank, everything's good. And then all of a sudden, overnight, right? Hopefully we'll never see a pandemic like this again, but you've got to sort of understand that these things, if you are just dependent on one of anything, and something happens to that one thing, your business can always take a hit, or your income can take a hit. And so you've got to have your contingencies in place to ensure that you've always got a backup plan. You've always got a second, you've always got a second supply. You're always running through multiple advertising and marketing channels. You're always offering a range of products and services, and you are setting yourself up with multiple streams of income. Okay, so once again, if you're watching this live, please put in hashtag live. Watching this on the replay, please put in hashtag replay. And once again, any questions, you know where they go. And if you want to spread that love around, I'd be more than happy as well. Okay, so what I would suggest, one of the best ways and cost-effective ways and low barrier of entry ways to build additional streams of income is to do what we call affiliate marketing, which is basically finding somebody else's product or service which is of good quality, which is going to be of benefit to your clients, and you promote that, and in return you get a commission. So basically, you don't have to create it, you don't have to support it. All you do is you just point people in the direction of that product or service, and you earn a commission. And you can do that with multiple products and services, right? So all of a sudden, you're not just dependent on one product or service for your income, and you're not reliant on one stream of income. Okay. If you'd like to know more about how to bring some more of your business online and how to even get into affiliate marketing, I'd invite you to check out the 15-day challenge by a guy called Dave Sharp, absolute legend and rock star in the online space. You can go to that link. You can watch a 10-minute video. If it's something that interests you, then you may want to take it further. Okay. But that's it. I'll be back again tomorrow. Once again, if you've got any questions whatsoever, if there's anything you want me to talk about, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to talk about it. And let's work together to at least bring about a more positive end to the outlook of 2020, and let's build an amazing 2021. Okay. Until then, you take care.